got to say is this is dope, okay? This is dope. Hands down. Why don't I do this more often? Okay, you guys. So I literally just filmed this whole head and the camera was not recording. The camera was not, like, y'all, when I look back and I was looking for the footage, I could cry, bruh. Like, I spent about 30-40 minutes of my life recording this, and then it's not even up there. The camera wasn't even recording. Like, I'm just over it at this point. I'm completely over and done. But I took 2 out just so that you guys can see my process, because I'm not about to redo this whole thing, but I do want you guys to see how I got it. This has been in for like 10 minutes and the curls have formed. It feels really soft. I use my Melanin, of course. Can you see that? Focus. Like, camera is just, this camera is so aggravating. Like, but I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna put on a good face for you guys, and I'm gonna do this because I'm not gonna let this camera get to me. Basically, I'm using the gray Flexirods, you know, my Tangle Teaser, and a little bit of product. Yes, baby. Like, this product has my hair so soft, it's ridiculous. Like, I can't wait to take it out tomorrow and see what it really feels like. But I'm just coating it, and the first time I did this section, I made the mistake of not putting enough. Like, I was trying to keep it dry, but having it damp is ideal so that you can get it to curl like you want it to. So I feel a kink in it in the end. You want to get it as smooth as possible at the ends, especially. I like to put a little bit of extra product. Is that a knot? Oh, some shed hair in my hair. Anyway, you just want to pull it as as tight as you can, and start off by wrapping the Flexirod, wrapping the hair around the Flexirod. Then you take it and you twist. So you're just twisting the hair around, and you want to hold it taut. Yes, princess. Like I was saying, you want to hold it taut so that it doesn't frizz up around the rod. Did you take it off of mute? I'm weak. If you guys hear the TV in the background, my daughter just took the TV off of mute. And when I get to my scalp, I like to hook the Flexirod around it and bend the end up so that it'll be more comfortable for me to sleep with. Okay, so I'm gonna do that one more time so that you guys can see. I haven't done a Flexirod set in years. Dang. Hair's getting long. Like, you guys, I'm literally a couple inches, well, my hair is literally a couple inches from touching my butt. I'm sorry if I'm looking at the viewfinder and not the camera. I know it's annoying, but I was shocked. Like, when I blow dried my hair today and I pulled, you know, the back down, and I was like, wait a minute. I don't know about you, But when my hair touches my butt, like, I'm not gonna be able to hear nothing. Your baby's crying. What? Sis, I don't hear nothing. Bruh. All I'm saying is if you ever want a camera, don't get a Sony. I'm just, woosah. Because I'm so aggravated with this camera. Like, first of all, you didn't get my footage, then you cut off. Like, what is... Woosah. This is ridiculous. Like, so ridiculous. Like, I filmed a whole video. I'm still not over that. Like, the video was dope, y'all. The video was dope. And couldn't even, what are you doing? Couldn't even upload it because the daggone camera wasn't recording. Like, who does that? Made me want to return this thing. I don't even think Amazon would take it back. Okay, so... Oh, it's kind of tight. Yes. Okay, so this is what I have going on. Is that a piece? You had this piece the whole time? You see, this is what I'm talking about. It's not meant. Yo, she had this. I knew I was missing a piece, but I didn't think that she had it. Okay. Give me that. Oh, sneaky self. All I know is this better be bomb. Like, when I say this better be bomb, this better be bomb. When I take this out, I better not have to do my hair for another whole week, because the amount of pain and turmoil that has gone into recording this, like... But I'm not going to be a Debbie Downer. Like, I'm excited to see the results of this. I know it's gonna look good because, bro, I did it, and I put like hard work into this. I put effort, I put time. Okay, so now I can finally show you, you know, the whole shebang that I got going on. It's still tight. Okay, whatever, I'll adjust it off camera. But basically, this is what I have going on. And to make it a little bit better to sleep, like, I kind of fold them towards my head, or at least try to. And now I'm just gonna go to sleep, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Y'all, my camera started doing some craziness, so all I know is when I look back, I better see where I started taking my hair out, because sis, like, the whole point of me coming on here was to show you guys how I unravel my hair and how I take down my Flexirod set. And if it's not recorded, I'm gonna throw the camera out the window, because bruh, like, this whole video, like, I've been having issues with this camera, right? You see this, right? So when I look back, all I know is I better see my footage, because it's gonna be real. And if it's not there, I was trying to tell you guys that I don't have eyelashes on or anything, because I'm going to be bulk filming today, and I'm gonna do a look. Did I twirl that the right way? Oh, I need to twirl the other way. But I'm gonna be filming a look, and I wanted my hair to go with it, and you know, I didn't want to come on camera with Flexirods in my hair trying to film a makeup look. But as you can see, the curls are really coming out quite nice. I'm very pleased with what I'm seeing right now. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, you guys, so look at what we're working with, sis. Look at this. Like, why haven't I done this style sooner? Like, why haven't I done this in a while? Like, what is going on with me? So I'm gonna kind of like, you know, tussle it at the back because I don't want any parts to show. But low key, I don't even want to touch it. And look at that color. I'm just like psyched about how it came out. Like, it came out so dope. But I haven't even seen the back. I'm going to let you guys see the back. I know that the camera was acting up, so I couldn't really show you guys my whole head, and I couldn't do it how I wanted to do it, but I hope you guys get the gist of it. I hope it was helpful. If you have any comments, you know, if you want to try this, if you tried it, if you like it, whatever, you know, just talk to me in the comments. I love talking to you guys. I answer every comment and I love your feedback. So go ahead and comment and like if you like the video, subscribe if you like this, because sis, like, if you don't like it, you're just a hater. I'm sorry. But subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye.